Hello and welcome to Lesson 4 of Order Tags for WooCommerce, Manual Assignment and Order Tag Management. In this video, I will show you how to manually assign and manage order tags in WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Orders. Here, you will see all of your orders. You can manually assign or remove tags from here. To assign a tag to a specific order, click on the order to open it. On the right side, you will see the Order Tags meta box. Simply select the tag you want to apply and click on the Update button. We have successfully added a tag to our order. To remove the tag, go back to the Order Tags meta box. Uncheck the tag you want to remove, scroll up, and click the Update button. The tag will be removed from your order. To assign tags to multiple orders at once, go back to Orders. Go to WooCommerce and click Orders. Select the orders you want to tag. Go to Bulk Actions and choose the tag. Now, click on the Apply button to assign the tag to all orders. To filter the orders by tag, at the top, you will see a Filter by Order. Select the tag you want to filter by and click the Filter button. The list will now only show orders with that tag. And that's it. In this video, you learned how to manually assign, remove, and manage tag orders. You can also use bulk actions and filters to make order management easier. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.